Okay, next video. A more conventional plane, more of a complaint of our era, 20th century, so to speak. And these are actually, these are planes used for competition. And I give you, you can look on the internet, Speedbirds sketchbook. And it's actually a group of people, designers from Renault that actually just really love aviation. And they do these really, really great pieces of sketch and artwork. It's really great. But we're going to draw this one. And I'm going to draw it just underneath the Wilbur, kind of this right here. Again, here's the line doing this. So here's, and we're going to go straight this way. Now, this is what's fun about doing planes. If you notice, I'm not doing a little sketchy. Like here, I was just making little quick, lines, real quick lines. With the plane, because it's such a beautiful shape, you really want to actually start working on long lines like this, like really nice sweeping lines. See that? That's the body. That's the body of the plane. Here's the canopy, kind of rolls over like this. And we have this line down the side. But see how these are nice long lines to it. See that? And there's the fin, tail fin. And it's actually a cylinder shape because it kind of does this. And then the wing can come out here. Now the wing on the other side is going to be a little shorter because it's further away. See that? So this wing is much longer, this one's shorter, so it looks like it's actually turning in flight. That's really what it's doing. And it's a cylinder shape, so we can actually on the bottom here, through here, we can actually put a little bit of a reflective, we talked about that for shiny shapes. Just a little bit of reflection through here. Keep this nice and light. Here we go. There's the tail through here. He's got some engine pods hanging down here, so you can make those circular. And you're looking the distance from here to here, from there to there. So you just see the wisp of this one on the other side. And that's where the propellers are. And since this one is behind, and since what I'm drawing is this right here, since this one's behind this one, you can actually draw that a little darker here. There we go. And in the front, you don't quite see the blades. You got this little hole right here. That's the radiator. That's where the air comes in to cool the engine. Just comes up like this. There. Okay. Doing little pods right here. And you just do the lower half of the plane with some kind of crosshatch. And make a little darker line through here like this. Because this is the ground plane. So in other words, the ground is down here someplace and it's just picking up the ground. This is picking up the sky. So the sun, clouds, if it's a nice shiny metal shape, we can even put a little bit of a guy in here. Indication, something like that. There. So give that a shot. Try that. See how you do. Don't worry about the wild lines. Again, I draw kind of wild. I like the sketchiness. I just like doing sketches. So see if you can make that work for you. And then the last one, I'll keep going here, is a little bit of Star Wars. And again, part of the idea of the skill here is learning how to do things by looking up at them. And I thought this. I'm not sure what you call this thing, but the Star Wars, the bad guys have these things. So what you're doing, again, here's the ground plane. So you got the ground plane down here. The edge of the, this is the ground plane through here. This is the horizon. Remember, we talked about the horizon, the edge of the planet, right? So you're just like here, you're looking up again at this thing. Actually, I'm gonna move it down here. Let's just move it down here. There we go. So I'm looking up, okay? And it's basically a box, okay? It's just a big box in space, looking up, and we're gonna do perspective here, perspective here. So you just draw